Security cameras offer peace of mind for a variety of spaces. With technology improving, Noorio have done a fantastic job at ensuring they offer the average consumer an affordable and feature-packed device. This is the Noorio Floodlight security camera. With features like AI detection, two-way conversations, and a wire-free, completely portable design, well, for the price, this is set to be a fantastic option for your home. Noorio's smart home devices work in harmony. Their products hope to bring users a simpler and smarter product experience. They are certainly dedicated to providing safety and peace of mind through that connectivity. And this camera is just one of them that does that so well. And guess what? The brand is running a giveaway campaign. So for an opportunity to win one of these completely free, check out the link in the description. I will also be giving away some cameras too to some lucky unexpected people. So ensure you subscribe, like the video and comment, and you may be in with a chance. With that said, let's unbox this device and see what you get in the box. So in the box you get everything you could possibly need to get this up and running, and that simply is just the camera, mount, and USB Type-C cable for charging. What is fantastic about this camera is its ability to be used straight out of the box. With its built-in battery, we get a wire-free installation. This is powered purely by its built-in battery, so with that, this can be installed absolutely anywhere, be it indoors or out, in a living room or above your front door. The Noorio has a fantastic applicational value for the average consumer. So let's start by wall mounting this, and the best thing is it only uses two simple screws. All you need to do is screw in the bracket. By designing it like this, at any point you can unscrew it and move it to another location. It really is a portable option to move around whenever required. So in regards to the setup, this has been made to be a complete breeze. Everything is operated through the Noorio app. If we go to the Play or Apple Store, we will be able to find this. Once downloaded, all we need to do is hold the reset button on the camera itself, and you will receive audio feedback letting you know you're ready to pair. Now within the app, all we need to do is simply go to the Setup Device section. Here we will open up a page which will allow us to scan the QR code on the back of the device. Then we press next and next again. Now we can categorize and name the camera to what we want. I'm going to call it front door. And then finally the page will open up our Wi-Fi connection. You will need to input the Wi-Fi key again and make sure it's the one shared with the phone. But that's it. Leave it and it will connect in a matter of minutes. Easy installation and easy app setup. What more could you ask for? Now the main app interface has been made very simplistic, but it is full of customizable options to indulge in. At the top we actually have 4 modes of operation, each one offering a different and unique way for the camera to operate. Home mode, away, sleep and disarmed mode. These all have preset settings that benefit the selection. We can actually go in and customize them further. For example, in home mode, by default it records videos and provides push notifications upon motion detection, but we could easily turn the notifications off if we don't want to be bothered with that. You can even set schedules to have different modes for different times of the day. So home mode while I'm at home doing my work, and then at night time I can have it surveilling a bit better. Each one benefiting you in different ways. If we click the main camera window, this will take up the live feed. Here we can actually interact with the camera interface, enlarge by pinching and zooming in on certain spots. We can begin recordings, take snapshots, and much more. I have to admit, the picture quality is really nice. You're getting a crystal clear 2K resolution image. Everything is captured pretty well. It picks up facial features, number plates, and important activities. Overall, for a battery operated camera, you can't complain. When it comes to its night vision, this is pretty impressive too. We actually have 3 night vision modes to choose from, and the first one being full color mode. Now this will actually turn on the 600 lumen ultra bright LED light on the front. This provides the option, in low light, to activate this light providing a coloured image, and that is all done when motion is detected. By doing this, we stand the best chance of seeing facial features and number plates. Secondly, night vision mode, well, it's your typical black and white IR option. Here the spotlight won't be activated, saving your battery life, but also providing a decent enough image that is decipherable. And finally, you have a forced colour vision. This is actually really clever. It allows the device to be forced to stream in full colour without using the spotlight. Overall, pretty impressive in the night vision options. Certainly plenty of leeway to get this working to how you need it to. The motion detection on this is very impressive. You get an instant notification on your phone when any motion is detected. There, we can actually go into the app's events and have a look at what's been captured. We can playback it and save it straight to our phone's library. With a built-in 16 gigabytes of onboard storage, you can not only use this without power, but even Wi-Fi. Everything can be stored to the onboard storage, and then when you reconnect to a Wi-Fi signal, you'll be able to get all that data sent back to your phone. The motion detection can be customized. You can apply for full motion protection or simply humanoid detection, and then you can play around with the sensitivity too. This will ensure you don't get false reports from other movements like animals or cars. One of my all-time favorite features with this app is the ability to set activity zones. Here I can actually add an adjustable shape to ensure that I'm only picking up motion in a certain area. Now, as you can see, this is perfect for me as I can cancel out cars and motions from my neighbors and only focus on the entrance to my property. When motion is detected, we can set options for the camera to turn on its spotlight to deter anyone you don't want to be around. Or we could take advantage of the siren option. Well, this will certainly put intruders off. All these are customizable as well. Say you're home during the day from certain times, I can set it to only record when motion is detected, not set the siren off or the floodlight. And then at night time, when I want extra security, when I'm not so vigilant, I can set it to produce a floodlight as well as the siren. Just so much peace of mind. Another way to provide privacy for your neighbours is actually by taking advantage of the onboard privacy zone. Here I can add a section to the video which will provide a completely blacked out area. So this is perfect for people's privacy or parts of your home that you just simply don't want recorded. And finally, two-way talking is a decent way to utilise this camera's ability to interact with people within your home or outside. I have this set up at my front door, and when a parcel delivery comes, I can interact with the postman, even when I'm not home. Hi mate, can you place the parcel around the back please?
Yeah, no problem.
All in all, this truly is a fantastic device for a range of consumers. There are so many customizable options and you can make it simply work for you. As mentioned, be sure to go to the link in the description to check out Noorio's giveaway. And remember, I will also be giving away some cameras too. So be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel to be in for a chance. With that said, till next time.